Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Coco and Mom, and today I am here with another healthy yet exotic recipe of buckwheat noodles. You all must be wondering, noodles and healthy? Yes, because I am going to use noodles made out of buckwheat and not the regular noodles. So this is a quick, easy to make and a healthy recipe. So let's get started. Let's start with cooking the noodles, for which I have boiled water in a pan, and these are my soba noodles which are made out of buckwheat and are healthier. I am putting them in boiled water, adding pinch of salt and some oil to it so that the noodles do not stick to each other. Now let the noodles boil for around 8 to 10 minutes. We check the noodles and we see that these are done. Strain them out and put them under cold water, and our boiled noodles are ready. Now it's time to toss the noodles. I have heated oil in a pan, adding some green chilies and ginger garlic paste to it. Now adding some chopped onions and pinch of salt. Saute onion till the color changes to golden brown. Now we keep the gas on high flame and it's time to add vegetables one by one. So here goes in some shredded cabbage, carrots, capsicum, and we mix all of these vegetables nicely. You can use any vegetable of your choice here. We do not overcook the vegetable as we need to retain the crunch of the vegetable. Now time to add the sauces. Here goes in red chilli sauce, green chilli sauce, soya sauce, and some vinegar. Mix gently so that the flavor of the sauce goes in the vegetables. We have not added salt here as these sauces already have salt in it. Finally goes in our boiled buckwheat noodles, and you can see that these noodles are not sticking to each other. Soba noodles are just healthier version of normal noodles with slight change in taste as there is no refined flour used. Now off goes the flame, and finally we add in some spring onion, both whites and greens, on the top, and our buckwheat noodles are ready. Please do give this noodle recipe a try, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Coco and Mom and share your pictures on my Insta handle. Till then, bye.